1. Draw a segment AB congruent to given segment PQ. Given is segment PQ of certain length. Draw a line L of greater length than segment PQ. Take a compass, place its ends on the endpoints of segment PQ. Now place the compass on the line L and plot 2 points where the endpoints of the compass touch line L. Name these 2 points as A and B. This segment AB is of equal length of segment PQ. Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. 2. Now let us learn to draw an angle bisector. Given is angle ABC. Now take B as center. Keeping the point of compass on B, draw 2 arcs intersecting rays AB and BC at points E and F respectively. Now take E as center and with the same radius, draw an arc in the interior of angle ABC. Now take F as center and with same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc in the interior of angle ABC. Name this point of intersection of arc as D. Now draw ray BD. Ray BD bisects angle ABC. That is, we can see that measure angle ABD is equal to measure angle CBD. 3. Now let us see how to draw the bisector of a given segment. PQ is the given segment. Now take point P as center and with more than half length of segment PQ, draw 2 arcs above and below the segment PQ. Now take point Q as center and with same radius, draw 2 arcs intersecting the previous arcs at points A and B. Now draw a line passing through points A and B. We can see that line AB bisects segment PQ. We will now draw a line perpendicular to a given line at a given point on the line. Let us solve exercise 7.1. Question 1. Draw line L and take any point P on it. Draw line M perpendicular to line L at point P. Draw line L. Take point P on line L. Now take P as center and with any suitable radius, draw 2 arcs intersecting line L in A and B. Now take A as center and radius more than half of segment AB. Draw an arc above the line L. Now take B as center and with the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at point C. Now draw a line M passing through point C and point P on the line L. We have now constructed the line M perpendicular to the given line L at point P on the line L. We have to draw a line perpendicular to a given line from a point not on the line. Question 2. Draw a line X and take a point R outside that line. Through the point R, draw line Y perpendicular to line X. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw line X. Point R is given outside the line X. Now take R as center and a suitable radius, draw 2 arcs intersecting line X at points A and B. Now take A as center and with a radius more than half of segment AB, draw an arc below the line X. Then take B as center and with same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at point C. Now draw a line Y passing through points R and C. We have now constructed a line Y perpendicular to line X through point R, which was not on the given line X. Now let us construct line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point. Let us see the steps of construction. Solve example 3 of exercise 7.1, question 3. Draw line L and take any point M outside the line. Draw line M parallel to line L through point M. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw line L of suitable length. Take a point M at a certain distance outside line L. Now take point M as center and with suitable radius, draw two arcs on line L at points A and B. Now take A as center and draw an arc below line L, taking radius more than half of segment AB. Now taking same radius and B as center, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point N. Draw a line passing through the points M and N. Now take M as center. Taking suitable radius, draw two arcs above and below point M on line MN at points R, S. Take points R and S as centers. With more than half of length RS, draw two intersecting arcs on the right side of point M. Name the point of intersection of the arc as point T. Now draw a line M passing through points M and T. We have now constructed line M parallel to line L through a point M outside the line L. Let us now solve the exercise 7.1 problems 4, 5 and 6 for further practice. 4. Draw triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 centimeters, BC is equal to 4 centimeters and AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Draw perpendicular bisector of each side of triangle ABC. In how many points do they intersect each other? Let us see the steps of construction. First, draw segment AC of length 7 centimeters. Take A as center and 6 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Now take C as center and with 4 centimeters radius, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point B. We have constructed triangle ABC. Take A as center and more than half of length AC as radius, draw two arcs above and below segment AC. Then take C as center and with same radius, draw two arcs intersecting the previous arcs. Draw a line passing through the points of intersection of the arcs. We have drawn the perpendicular bisector of segment AC. Similarly, take B and C of segment BC as centers, and with more than half length of BC, draw intersecting arcs to the left and right of segment BC. Draw a line passing through the points of intersection of the arcs. We have drawn the perpendicular bisector of segment BC. We will similarly draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB, taking A and B as centers. Notice that all the three perpendicular bisectors intersect one another in one point. 5. Draw segment AB of length 7 centimeters. Take point P such that AP is equal to 3 centimeters and point A, P and B are collinear. Draw a perpendicular to segment AB through point P. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw segment AB of length 7 centimeters. Measure 3 centimeters from point A and mark it as point P such that A, P and B are collinear points. Then take P as center and with suitable radius, draw two arcs on the segment AD. Mark them as X, Y. with X as center and radius more than half of segment XY. Draw an arc above segment AB. Similarly, with Y as center and same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at point C. Draw a line passing through points C and P. We have drawn the perpendicular to segment AB through the point P, which was on the line AB. 6. Draw any right-angled triangle. Draw perpendicular bisectors of its perpendicular sides and name their point of intersection as P. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw segment BC of any suitable length. With B as center and measure 90 degrees, mark a point A. Join AB and AC. We have drawn the right-angled triangle ABC. We know that sides AB and BC are the perpendicular sides of triangle ABC. So draw their perpendicular bisectors. Take A and B as centers and with more than half length AB as radius, draw arcs intersecting left and right of side AB. Draw a line passing through their points of intersection. Then take B and C as centers and similarly draw perpendicular bisector of side BC. We can see that both the perpendicular bisectors intersect at a point on the side AC. Mark it as P. We have drawn the required figure.